Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to 2022 Taiwan Smart Manufacturing webinar. Market trends and business opportunities for smart production line solutions. My name is Tseng. It's my pleasure to be the MC for today on behalf of Bureau of Foreign Trade of MOEA. I'd like to extend our warmest welcome to all of you. We appreciate you for taking off your business schedule to join us today. And we hope you find today's webinar informative and fruitful. According to the development of nowadays, the market trends are more extended to smart production business opportunities, such as robot applications and smart automation system. To ensure that international buyers can quickly grasp the capabilities and advantages of Taiwan's smart machinery technology. This forum will invite 3 representatives from machinery field leaders to share their professional and marketing perspective on key technology. Without further ado, please welcome Mr. Tseng, GM of New MING Machinery Company, to deliver the speech of the key technology and opportunities of footwear manufacturing machines.
Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? My presentation is the future development of the global footwear industry. I will give you a brief presentation on Tseng and from Tseng technology. My presentation can be divided into 6 parts. I will talk about TISN, smart manufacturing, post-COVID development, smart tools, sustainability of our factories, and conclusion. First, I want to talk about TISN. It was established by the Taiwan Footwear Manufacturers Association. TISN's members include MING Machinery, MING Group, and AI Tech, and we also have technical supporters, including Nanbao Group, Baihe Group, and AO Pass. Currently, with Nike, Converse, New Balance, Brooks, and On Running, we all have projects going on. And in the future, how can we help you? And why should we help you? I will explain it to you. Currently, shoes manufacturing factories have encountered a lot of questions, such as water consumption, such as conveying belt examination and cleanness, and how can we reach standardization in our industry in the future? They are the questions we are facing now. In terms of IoT, before and after the installation of IoT, what are the differences? Let me explain briefly. Currently, in our production lines, there is a question, that is, the production and playing are not connected. Next, on-site data is not real-time and accurate. Especially in our production lines, we are still using MING to record data. It's time-consuming. In terms of our coordination of our production and playing, we need real-time data in terms of production, quality, and materials. We need real-time data. The most important thing in our production line is quality. How can we trace the quality of our products? Is the problem we are facing now in mainland China, in Southeast Asia, and even in India in the future. With our system and equipment, you can establish a so-called war room for your production line. It can provide each machine's parameter and data real-time. From the screenshot on the right, you can see the consumption of CO2 and electricity. From the screenshot on the top left, you can see the parameter of each piece of machinery. On the screenshot from the left bottom, you can see real-time situation of each machine, such as the yield and OEE. It's loud and clear. The IoT Smart Production Line. In terms of IoT Smart Production Line, currently, from cutting to stitching and to lasting machinery layout, we have accomplished 22 production lines, including those located in mainland China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Taiwan. The production information flow has been bilaterally collected and monitored. Currently, we have already introduced other suppliers into the system, including material and mold suppliers, and 6 production lines are using our RFID system. The whole system can be used on VAMP, SOL, and semi-products management. We use WIP online system. The system can record all information automatically to prevent human error, to reduce inventory and other labor force. We can reduce the indirect labor force. In those 3 screenshots, the left one, you can see the real-time monitoring of carbon emissions and real-time monitoring of power consumption. The middle one shows the instant device status. From the right one, we can get quality pass rate and production achievement rate. They are all the data we can get online right now. We can get our machine's operational data such as speed, temperature, pressure, etc. Whatever information our clients want to know from our production line, we can present it digitally. As to our production movement, such as accumulation, material shortage, and even line balance, we also have the information. Currently, in terms of carbon footprint, product quality, and product quantity. We can present the data. That's the reason why we create the war room in our app. What can we achieve with the IoT smart production line? Aside from the remote control system of our machines, we have material data management. It's very important for the shoe manufacturers. We can provide production data optimization analysis. In our production line, we have production line monitoring platform, such as the maintenance data and TPM. They will all be included. In terms of safety, environmental monitoring, such as the abnormal alarms, machine condition analysis. And the last one is the management security level. It can be divided into the high-level management, the user management, and the maintenance management. In terms of the post-COVID era, what differences have we made? The following are the differences made in IoT smart production line which are different from the past. In the future, how can we put them into practice? Through real-time monitoring and IoT, we have upgraded our automation system. Aside from that, we have already connected to the warehouse automation system and ERP system. With the ERP information, we can better control the whole system. Because they are all done remotely, we created an AR system for such as new machines and for training as well. It's a built-in app which can shorten the training curve for the newcomers. This is what every shoe factory wants us to establish for them. In terms of smart tools, for instance, we are using RFID to provide automatic identification, starting from material input to the storage management, the shipping of the product, and ERP's management of the product, packaging, assembling, even cutting and stitching, and printing. Next, it can also provide security service of the factory. A very important point is that in the future, for the consumers and the client's warehouse, we can provide a very good tracing information. And we can provide a more exact control of the warehouse to prevent the stealing from the staff. Next, in terms of RFID for warehouse management, you can see from the slides that not long ago, we established the RFID system for a mold factory in Vietnam. Typically, a mold factory has 3 or 4 warehouses containing up to tens of thousands or a million molds. There are upper molds and lower molds. In locating a certain mode with RFID, we can save times for them from 3 days in the past to 2 hours right now. Everyone was amazed by that. As to preventive maintenance, we have created a system for it. Next, we have created a Line Alert app for machine maintenance. On each machine, there is a smart box which can transfer the machine's conditions to the app, such as when and what RFID has passed the machine with the conditions. On the left of the screen, you can see you need to do maintenance. What kind of maintenance? On the right, such as the production line number 1, which machine has abnormal situation. This is an advanced system to reduce human error and provide real-time interactive. Next, by using automated guided vehicle, AGV, we came up a very good idea. With AGV, we can standardize our labor tempo to reduce workers' human errors. Otherwise, it will slow down our production line speed. It can maintain the speed to keep good OEE and reduce fraction defective. Next is the Internet security. NetworkBox is a global leading Internet security company. It provides best and comprehensive solutions to the enterprises. NetworkBox has passed ISO 27001 certification. On 24th of last July, it secured the security of our network. Right now, we have 28 Internet Defense Center. So we will continue to support our IoT security project. Next. This slide shows that we have established 7 layers of protection to prevent Internet attack. This is our Security Operations Center, SOC. In 2018, TSMC was hacked and forced to stop operation. It suffered great losses. So, we established SOC, the Global Defense Center. This is our information room. It collects real-time information and shows it on the screen. They will prevent hackers' attack. As to environment social governance, we have a sustainability item. In terms of power recycling, material recycling, social compensation and benefits, and even management, we have been following ESG's innovative idea to move forward. Here is the conclusion. Currently, what should we do? we began to select a regional area to install the IoT for the critical machine. For instance, we start from heating oven, so attaching stand and the chillers. Secondly, for the critical machines of a regional area, we provide electricity monitoring. We monitor CO2 emission data. Thirdly, we use RFID smart box to save human counts. We use RFID for material input and output automatic tracing. It is also connected to ERP system to provide better cost-down effect. Last but not least is the Internet security. Now we have the OSC Global Defense Center. We collect our clients' R&D data and our own production data. We want to protect the data from any outside hackers' attacks. Judging from what I have presented, you will know the future development of our shoe manufacturing industry. Now it's our common goal. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact us. This is my presentation. Thank you for your listening.